Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the oil sample analysis and the coolant sample analysis. Both analyses are necessary, are mandatory to predict, to understand what's happening inside of your engines and transmissions in your boat. This is the best way to be 100% sure what happened in your engine and why you have that issue, that problem, and what is the solution specific in each case. I recommend take oil samples and coolant samples once per year in transmissions, in engines, in generators. Once per year, this is the recommendation. Take the samples, send the samples to the laboratory. Later, you will receive the report, and after that, you can analyze those reports with my tables. I have the oil sample analysis table and the coolant sample analysis table, both of them. With both tables, we are going to analyze what element, what metal, what mineral, the content is superior than the content recommended for that specific engine, for that specific transmission. And we are going to predict if the problem is in the pistons, on the rings, on the crankshaft, on the valves, and probably we can reduce the problem, or we can stop the problem, or we can eliminate the problem. Because in this table, you have the cause, the consequence, and the solution. And this is simple. If you check metal by metal in concentration, it's simple, analyze the problem and find the solution. This is why it's necessary, it's mandatory, take those samples once per year in your engines and transmissions.